జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సుందరకాండ. Other demon Praghasa came. She saying, "Let us not delay any more. Let us eat her now. I will press her neck. Then we all can go to Ravana and say that Sita is dead. Then what he would say, go ahead and eat her away. Then let us come back and eat every organ of Sita." Like that, all the demons, one after one, with so many harsh words, scaring Sita Devi. All the demons around Sita Devi, scaring Sita Devi. And Sitamma lost all of her braveness. Dhairyam utsrujya roditi. Sitamma is crying and saying to demons like this, "I belong to human beings. I cannot accept Ravana. If you all want to eat me away, go ahead. But I would never accept Ravana. I would never do what you are all asking me to do." Like that, while thinking about Sri Ramachandra Swami, Sita Devi said to all those demons, and also Sita Devi loudly saying, "Ha Rameti cha dukkharta, ha punaha Lakshmaneti cha." Rama, Lakshmana, like that she is saying and crying. And then, "Ha Svesru mama Kausalye, ha Sumitreti bhamini." Ho Kausalya Devi, ho Sumitra Devi, like that she is calling them, recollecting them, remembering them and crying. Then she is also saying that, "Why am I not getting a sudden death? It looks like as and how great scholars says that sudden death is not easy. It comes only to very good lucky people." Maybe that is true. And Sita Devi like that thinking and also saying that, "Tam Padmadala Patraksham." Ramachandra Swami's beautiful eyes. Such Ramachandra Swami is not giving me his darshanam. Simha Vikrantagaminam, the one who walks in a wonderful gesture like a lion, he is not giving me his darshanam. Krutagnyam, the one he is most grateful to the entire world. Such Ramachandra Swami is not giving me his darshanam. Priyavadinam, the one who speaks very sweetly. Such Ramachandra Swami is not giving me his darshanam. Probably dhanyah pasyanti me nadham. Only those who are enough fortunate, only those who are lucky, they will get Ramachandra Swami's darshanam. Kidrusam tu maya papam pura janmantare kritam. Probably I have done so much sin in my previous life. Now I am going through that consequence. I cannot bear this unbearable grief. Now I want to die. I want to die while jumping into the fire. I want to die while drowning in the water. But I belong to Rama. I cannot take a decision by myself without consent from Rama, without permission of Rama. That is what is my total dependent life. Like that, Sita Devi thinking in so many ways, her eyes are filled up with tears. Now those tears are rolling down. Sita Devi unmatteva pramatteva bhranta chitteva sochati. Just like a very mad person, just like the one who is lost her mind like that Sita Devi Viveshtanti Mahitale. She is rolling on the floor and crying. She is feeling that being separated from Rama, I do not want this kind of life. But it looks like my heart is like a stone, because even in this severe grief, I am still alive. I should not be alive. Being away from Rama, I should not be alive even for a moment. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman-Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana.